I'm going to start a new video series on Angular 2. So basically we'll start off with the basics of Angular 2, and we'll see how you can create a brand new Angular 2 application and then get started with that. So before you get started with Angular, you need to have a Node version. The version that I'm using is Node version 7.4.0. I guess Angular requires Node version 6 plus, and npm minus v would give me the version of npm, which is Node Package Manager. So if you want to install packages of Node, you need to have npm installed. So these are the basic dependencies that you need. Another thing that you need is Angular CLI. Angular CLI is a command line tool which helps you to create new Angular application with these. It does a lot of things for you. We'll see all that pretty soon. So you need to first install Angular CLI in order to get started with Angular 2 project. So installation. So this is actually the folder. I mean the website or GitHub repository for Angular CLI. You can go there and copy this command and install this. So I've already done this, and the version that I'm using is ng-v. So I can just run ng-v. I can and get the version a number of Angular CLI. So when you install Angular CLI, you get a command called ng, so which basically helps you to create new project. So once Angular CLI is installed, you can type in the command ng and then run the command called new and name of the project. So let's say we want to create a project. It's called admin. So when I run this command ng new admin, it's going to create a new folder called admin. That's going to be a new project. Then it's going to create a bunch of files. It's also going to download a bunch of packages, node packages, which we will need for the application to run. So I'm going to pause this video for the time being, just to wait for this to get downloaded and then resume back when this is done. Okay, so basically we have the process is complete. So you can see that it created a bunch of files for us, and it also downloaded many packages, and we have our new Angular 2 application called admin over here. So I'm going to cd into the Angular 2 application and then do an ls command. So here you can see there is a few files and folders. We'll see that in detail. So I can just run this ng serve, and it's going to start my Angular 2 application and open that on port 4200. Yeah, so it takes some time, but basically it will just run open the project on the browser. So let's wait for that. Okay, so it's taking more than what I expected. Okay, so it's starting to bundle up the modules. So basically you have large number of modules, and that modules will be bundled into smaller files, and you can see that it has created a new URL, which is localhost 4200. I can copy this and paste it in the browser, and you can see that the app works. So this is basically how you can get started with the Angular. This is for today. In the next video we'll see what are the folder structure and what each folder means. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to do another video tomorrow. So thank you.